to start? First, they were in almost matching outfits. Then Beenie changed to the shirt that I think changed his life. It was an amazing display of talent, energy, and culture.
Gal flex, time to have sex. Jumping on your legs, steam a blunt, pop a vex. Now you know that my style is really XX.
Stop it! Calm down. It's my time.
Seriously? Me just have one thing to say to you. Seriously? Drop it, Kurt.
Not me warm, my arms frozen. Picture me in a room full of hoes unchosen. Picture me with no P.O. and no P.A.
You bring on your dance and I want.
This bad man you get.
This bad man, I mean fire the most.
Okay.
So what do I
I saw these fools try to get me around.
4 seasons of
Trying to
what?
let me down.
Yo! Boss
I
up,
got an
boss!
easier way to let them drown.
Yo!
With these guns up now around.
Big up the one of your place!
So try to reach
R.I.P.
I try to let me down a quicker way to make them show. Step up in a deadly zone. Bad man, what? No.
Tell them it's gone down before showdown.
Beenie Man and Bounty Killer had a historic Verzuz Instagram clash over the weekend, and we're here downtown to find out what everybody has said. Was it a good look?
Let them out! Give it a few!
What them say? The clash over the weekend, Beenie Man and Bounty.
Bounty must have been a man. Bad. Big up Bounty. Wow, it's been telling bad.
Beenie, I'm done. Big up Beenie from a small man. I mean, I'm from Almanton. Straight up.
Yeah, the clash there, dash, man, I rate it. Oh, God, man. You know, it's a fair challenge. But I rate killer, I rate Beenie. I'm not going to say boy Beenie when I kill him. The two of them up. Yeah, two of them win. You know what?
It's one good man, a good thing. Yeah, man, a good thing for 2 international artists, them, you know. No, we don't deal with winner. 2 international artists on live TV. No, that not including win. Then give people them a nice strength.
I'm my man that, you know, Beenie to the world.
Imagine, you don't know anything set, you know. You know what I Beenie want to take it, though?
Well, me like how the 2 of them perform, you know. Are you name Santi? Yeah, me like how them perform.
You know I'm going to do that. I know I'm going to say that. But all of my ladies, I know say them good. And them have them man lack. And them have food lack. And them have cleaning lack. And them have wash lack. And them have press lack. And if them have none of that lack, I a helper. All of my ladies, them have that song.
Not 1, not 2, but 3 winners. Beenie, Bounty, and the whole dancehall culture.
Jamaica, which was thought as a third world country, represented as leaders in the world tonight with almost 500,000 people, bro. I cried, yes.
Jamaica definitely won that night. I think it's going to be hard to top it. You heard what Swiss Beats said. Big up Beenie and Bounty, and of course everyone who made it happen.